We start with daily chart and we see the sharp move based on daily and we see the breakout of this one. Now we want to see whether we can look for 8. Okay, this is what we have been looking for. We are looking to see the breakout of the 8 cent. And if we move to a higher time frame, we want to see what we have been looking for. If you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned we are looking to see the breakout of previous top based on monthly. The first target I'm looking for is 8 cent following by 12 with the breakout of this top. Sorry, with the breakout of this zone, then we can look for continuation on all time. At least we have to see the breakout of the 12. And right now we zoom in, we see the price almost near to the previous top. And with the breakout of the previous top, the first target I'm looking for is 8 cent. This is what we have been looking for. And if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation. The only thing is based on weekly chart, we see we have a divergence. At this point, we don't need to care about that because with the breakout of the previous top, almost if the price broke, then the divergence doesn't mean anything here, and even is based on the weekly chart. Okay, and now we see the breakout of this one. Okay, firstly, whenever we see the breakout of the correction, we're looking for continuation. The only thing is it have to break the previous top, which is this one 0.055. Okay, then if the price broke, then any opportunity for buy the flag based on 1 hour or lower time frame is a good idea to look for trade since we are out of the correction. And anyway, but the only thing is if we move to forward chart, we have a divergence. Okay, that's why if we want to look for buy, we have to see the breakout of 0.055. Okay, if we zoom it, we have to see the breakout of the previous top, which is this one. Then from there, we look for flag or depends on the trader's trade setup. We take the trade because of this divergence. Simply, we are not really interested to look for the trade because maybe we get another correction based on forward chart similar to what we had here. That's why the breakout, any trade, I mean the trade setup after the breakout of the previous top will be the best. But it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here without the price can continue without giving us a trade setup. But the only thing is we are looking for trade setup before we take the trade. We are not here to simply take the trade, or I mean we are not here to simply buy and enter the market. Okay, again, it doesn't, whenever I say we have to look for the trade setup, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue. It doesn't mean we cannot buy, but what to buy and based on what strategy and what kind of the trade setup we want to trade. Okay, then based on forward chart, I don't say any trade setup, even based on 1 hour chart. Anyway, the only thing is the price almost near to the previous top, and with the breakout of the previous top, we're looking for 8 cents. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.